In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable project cost estimates in the settings of QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner managing your books or an accountant overseeing financial details, understanding how to utilize this feature can significantly streamline your operations and provide clarity on your project expenditures. Let's start by navigating to the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. There, you'll find the gear icon, which is your gateway to the Settings Hub. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you have access to all your important account and company settings. Once clicked, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, locate and select the Accountant Settings option. This section allows you to customize and tailor QuickBooks to fit the unique needs of your business. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel where you'll see several tabs. We're interested in the Expenses tab today. Click on that tab to dive into the settings that pertain to how you manage and track expenses for your company. This section is a goldmine of configurations that can make your financial tracking both detailed and efficient. Now that you're in the Expenses tab, you're one step closer to enabling project cost estimates. One critical setting we need to adjust is to ensure that the items table on expense and purchase forms is visible. This feature helps you break down costs more precisely across various items, right from your expense entries. So, look for the option labeled Show Items Table on Expense and Purchase Forms. Toggle this option to enable it. By turning this feature on, you'll get a clearer perspective on how costs are distributed across different items and services, which will ultimately help you in estimating project costs more accurately. With this enabled, the last step is to save your changes. Before you exit, locate the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the page, and click it. This action will confirm and apply all the adjustments you've just made, ensuring that your settings are updated and ready to assist you in cost estimation. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled project cost estimates by tweaking a few settings in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping your settings up to date not only aids accurate bookkeeping, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions that can impact the success of your projects. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider exploring other features in QuickBooks to optimize your accounting processes further. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.